Italian sausage baked squash. Here's some real-life cooking for you. I have a Danish squash here from where I work. We sold them seasonally, so it was only in fall. It is now ready to cook. You note that it's starting to turn color from its original green. That means it's ready. We are going to save the seeds. We are just going to scoop out those seeds, membrane, and all. Look at those beautiful seeds. We will soak them later to get the membrane to loosen off the seeds. This is when I realized the bowl is in the middle of the shot. Continue scraping until you're done. Took me a bit. Set the halves aside for future baking. I'm just going to add butter now before I forget. Do you remember the mystery squash from last summer's garden? This is one of them. They lost their green, started to anyway. There's a little bit, but not much. That tells me they are ready. However, the mystery has been solved. This, excuse the hair, is a spaghetti squash. Boy, I'm having troubles with this knife. It is dull. I will insert a picture of the mystery squash right here so you know what I'm talking about. Or maybe the seeds were F1, which is the first year of a hybrid. I'm not sure what happened here, but it was good. I'm using a new knife here. It's dull too. I really need to ask my husband to sharpen my knives for me. Or my son, he loves doing things like that. He has become quite the chef. Here's yet another knife. It's dull too. Oh, for crying out loud. I need a savior. Let's watch me struggle for a little bit here. It's almost comical. Don't do it, Stacy. Are you kidding me? You know better. I do not recommend this at home. Let's try it this way. Okay. You better. Oh, my savior. Come to save the day. You must have heard me banging up here. Sorry, I am not a feminist, and I will never be a feminist. I will let those men save me any day. Ta-da! We are gonna scoop out these seeds too, but I forget to save them. Maybe I don't want to continue this hybrid anyway. I don't even remember where the seeds came from. I did start to save the seeds, but honestly, I didn't remember where they went. I lost them. And then doing the editing in this video, I found out what I did. I threw them in the compost. These are so large I end up quartering them. Hey, you try cutting butter one-handed. You're gonna set your oven at convection bake or normal setting if you don't have that. We are going to set the oven for 385 just because we have sweet Italian ground pork sausage from ButcherBox. We are just gonna mash this raw meat with this nifty tool that I love. Turn your burner to medium-low. This is when I discovered I threw out the seeds. I saved the Danish squash, but not the spaghetti squash. Whoops. Looking around for them. The sausage is starting to brown, so I do a quick stir. The oven is preheated, so let's set the timer for 25 minutes, but you really should microwave them first for like a minute, 2, 3, because, well, I forgot to do that. Otherwise, they're gonna cook a lot longer than 25 minutes. The sausage is completely browned now, so it's time to stuff the squashes. Look at that yummy butter. Perfect. We are going to distribute the sausage amongst the quarters of squashes. Here's your easy peasy dinner from last year's garden. Thank you for watching this video. I really enjoyed making it, and I'm glad I have YouTube to share with all my new friends. Remember to plant kindness to grow love. Have an awesome day, and God bless. Thank you for watching. Until next time.